All right, guys, today we are going to be starting the first steps of drawing our bedroom in 3D. Now, the bedroom is based on 1 point perspective, which we have practiced in third and fourth grade. So hopefully this isn't too difficult for you guys. It is not easy, but you guys have practiced this before and done really, really well. So I'm hoping that this part of the project won't be as stressful as it can be. I learned how to do this first in high school, but you guys have shown me you can do it. So to get started, you'll need a piece of paper, a ruler, or something you can draw a straight edge. You have to have something like a ruler or a big book if you don't have a ruler, but hopefully it has something you can draw straight lines with. And a pencil, make sure it's sharp. If you look at my pencil, not very sharp. So sharp pencils are always better to use, especially with perspective. So for our warm-up, you're going to want to start by making the vanishing point towards the center of your paper. Now, if you remember, we're going to just make about 4 or 5 shapes for our practice. So I'm just going to start by making a square. Can make a rectangle. Can make another kind of shape here. And then maybe I'll make another shape here. All right. So think of this line going across here as the horizon lines. This is like your eye level. So what we're going to do next to make these shapes 3D, we're going to take the corners of our shape, line it up, and I usually line my corner up with my vanishing point. Now, you could drag your guidelines all the way, but you are going to have to erase them. So I usually just make them long enough. But for demonstration, I'm just going to lightly take each of the corners to the vanishing point. Now, next thing we're going to do is to make a parallel line to this side of our square. Now, a lot of times people will want to take their ruler and your eye or brain wants to make you move it. Just line it up with the edge, slide it over as thick as you want it, and make a vertical line. As soon as I hit the line here, I stop. Then we'll be going parallel with this line right here, line it up, slide it straight up, and then we can erase our guidelines. So looks like we have a 3D box. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing with this box here, rectangle. So I'm going to take my guidelines, just to make it long enough, and then line it up. And line up your vertical line here with your ruler. And then you can see we have another block. Here we are going to, same thing, take our corners, the vanishing point. Line up your edge of your ruler with your rectangle. Make a parallel line. This goes vertical. And then our last one, the steps, has lots of corners. Just you have to use your ruler. So each corner. So that's 7 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this goes vertical. So this neighboring line has to have a buddy. It has to go vertical. Then it goes horizontal. Vertical. Horizontal. Vertical. And horizontal, I have some steps. And I'd like you guys to make about 4 to 5 shapes. Make sure you sign your name, class in the corner. And photograph it under black perspective practice. This will be as far as you will need to get for Monday. This will be due on Friday, but just continue to try to work on it, because on Tuesday we'll be showing the next step of the project. For our next project, we will be drawing our bedroom in 3D. So it's just pretty much the same thing, just using our 1-point perspective and making our room in 3D. All right, hope you guys have a great day, and photograph it to black perspective practice in Artsonia. See you next time.